Iyacho, home of my ancestors. Three shots to the sky, ashes to the chest. A man did not ask a woman if he has her heart. The gun may speak, but the ancestors do not answer. Iyacho, I was blind long before my eyes went dark. Love. One day, strength will speak, the heart will speak, and tradition will not know which voice to obey.
Inori, the song of my heart, the morning of my waking. Even the rivers wait to watch your feet, and the water knows beauty when it sees one.
Kojeka, flattery makes the water jealous, yes?
Every step you take, the earth bends, the grass leans closer, and the birds quiet to hear you. Even the sun burns so bright, afraid it cannot compete with your light.
You will make me float away if you keep speaking like that.
Better flow than let any man touches what the gods themselves have blessed.
Your flute is good, but your words, they strike deeper. Even my heart dances faster than my feet can move.
Then dance, Inori. Dance until the river forget its flow. Until the sun get jealous of your feet.
You speak like the elders in their proverbs. Every word is a river. Deep, endless, carry me along.
Then let it carry us both and flow any direction it pleases, so long as we both have each other. Agba has claimed another victory for Iyacho.
Yes, the ancestors are with him.
I must take you home now, before the sun burns so bright for your foot to bear.
Okay.
Come on.
Great people of Iyacho Kingdom. Great people of Iyacho Kingdom. Today, our kingdom has won another victory again. And this victory came through our great warrior, Lion of the Hills, Agba himself. Great warrior,
my king,
ask me of anything, and it shall be given to you.
You mean anything?
and you earn it.
My king, all I ask for is for you to send us to another battle.
I ask again. I do not make empty promises. Ask me of anything, and it shall be given to you.
My king, my sword turns for our enemy's blood. All I ask for is to be sent to another war. So that we may return with an honor or fall on our sword in our hands.
Did a fish swim with you? Or a young man steals your heart instead?
And you are way too smart. Well, it was only the river and the wind. Maybe a little flute too. Okay, fine. It was Ojeka. He played the flute for me so passionately.
I knew it. Look at you. But do you know why you were dancing to Ojeka's flute? Misfortune befell another.
I heard the gunshot.
And people say it's Erima, the daughter of Ogede, the one that is the husband to Ive, that one that sells wrappers in the market.
I know her. She's such a peaceful girl. Did you know we danced together 2 nights ago at the King's Palace?
Come here, my darling daughter. Hi. Olohenyam, Yonyiko, who you were. When your father, my late husband, married me, he married me from my father's house. He wanted me, and I wanted him too.
And Adam told me everything. He even told me how blessed that day was. Papa told me that even the rain poured.
Yes, the rains did wet our clothes that day.
Wow.
Inori, my daughter, I promise you, the misfortune that befell other girls will never see you. I am Uregu, and I'm your mother. Okay, I kept some yams in the barn for you to give Uduma because they have nothing to eat.
No problem.
My princess, the princess of Iacho Kingdom. Look, princess, I came with the finest black oil to massage the feet that truly deserves worship.
Pabi, must you make me smile each time you come here?
Oh, maybe let's say that is why I exist. Who knows? My princess,
Yes.
let me walk on your feet.
Okay.
Put it here, my princess. Yes.
You sure have good hands.
Oh, my princess, be careful what you praise. This crook hen is a stubborn child that refused to grow. You know, when God was creating good hands, I don't know where I was so when I came, I was looking for the hand that is as strong as that of Agba. Yes, this is the only one that was left, so I had to manage it.
Well, that's for you, because all I can see right here are good hands. And feel how they touch my feet gently.
Maybe because they are weak, they learned patience. And because they are broken, they learn endurance. Well, but if my princess says she's seeing good hands, I think you're seeing the heart.
And I wonder when these good hands will choose a woman that truly yearns for him. Or would he rather shoot a gun in the air 3 times, rub arches on the chest of a woman, and then make her his?
Maybe I should grab the princess.
Go ahead, I'm all yours.
No. Let me finish this. My princess, this side, I am touching a lump here. The next time I come, I think I need to...
Just nothing like home.
It was tranquil.
Home sweet home.
Okay. Everything went well.
Yes.
Just cut.
Yes. Everything went so well.
Oh God. With you by my side, I can tell you, we can conquer. You are the warrior. You are the warrior.
Only your best friend. 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 Only your best. You boy, you know Bukura. Okay, Oga na papa de me.
Ogo. Who's that?
That's Inori, the daughter of very good market woman.
Oh God. I found a wife.
I don't think so. She is known to be the woman of Ojeka the flute player, and he intends to make her his wife.
The same Ojeka?
Yes.
Oh, it's not going to fade to call. I got to get fade to call. Oh, it's not going to fade to call. I got to get fade to call. Oh, it's fade anu ikure umiko. I got to get fade to call. Oh, it's fade anu ikure umiko. I got to get fade to call.
Mom, something is coming. I don't know what it is, but deep down in my bones, I can feel it so strong.
Inurionyem. Sometimes the stars whispers warnings, but sometimes promises.
And it is not fear I feel, not really. I just feel like the air is holding something, patiently waiting for it to happen.
That's life speaking.
I wish I know what it is so that my heart will be calm.
Whatever it is, you will face it and you will shine.
Talking about that, why will I fear? When the most courageous and the most fearless woman in this village is my mother. I am Urego's daughter, the woman warrior, so I fear nothing.
You'll be fine. Don't worry.
Ogo, I cannot be meeting you here anymore. You don't want to make me your wife and you still want me to do secret things with you?
I don't want any secret thing with you anymore, Oleko. I know you want Ojeka, your friend's man.
You know?
The earth wants to favor you.
How?
How would you feel to have Ojeka all to yourself without you being in the way?
Ogo, Ilahi, what must I do?
Why don't you take a rest? I mean, the day is ours.
Don't worry, let's keep walking slowly.
Are you sure?
Yes. Fine.
You can sit here and wait for me. I will get it and meet you here.
No, let's go.
Easy, easy.
What are you two doing here in the bush?
Abankwa, we're just trying to get some holes for her feet.
Yes.
It's hurting. Easy, eh? Easy.
I don't understand.
What is happening here?
What is happening here? What is happening? What is...
Abankwa! Abankwa! What are you doing? Those are warriors of Agba.
Ojeka! Ojeka! Ojeka!
By the time Ojeka finds you, you will already be a wife.
Ojeka! 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 Ojeka!
What chased after you?
Ojeka! It's Inori. Inori. She has been taken away. Agba's warrior.
What did you just say?
I was there. I ran to you. Ojeka! Ojeka, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is Agba's men we are talking about.
If tradition wants blood, they will hear my voice today. Go home, Abankwa.
Ojeka!
Agba, what have you done?
Inori, I did not bring you here to break you. I brought you here so that you will be my wife.
Your wife? Not in this life. Not in the next. Even if the gods kneel down to beg me, I will never, ever be your wife. My heart, my body, my soul, and everything that makes me a woman belongs to Ojeka. It has always been, and it will continue to be, so you better let me go.
Ojeka is nothing!
Ojeka is everything you can never be. Ojeka is kind. He is compassionate. He is caring. Ojeka is not a monster who is forcing a woman to be his wife.
Take her into the house!
I said let me go! I would
go!
You came late, Ojeka. You came late!
I came at the right time.
Tradition has spoken!
The tradition will hear my voice too.
What have you done?
It has happened. A woman's heart has torn the sky. Two voices, one tradition, spoken at the same breath. The gun does not lie. But today, it has become confused. When tradition speaks alone, it is clear. But when love enters, even the ancestors have to wait. Tomorrow, the elders will argue. Adiraho, Adiraho the king will sit on his throne. And the laws of our forefathers will be forced to explain itself. When the gun speaks at the same time, judgment must awaken.
You know the yam? Ha! What happened to our ancestors? Did they stop breathing? Did they lose their ears? Ha! If they say marriage is strength, then why must it begin in tears? And if they say a man is brave, then why must he embrace what doesn't run to him? I have sold in the market for so many years, and I've carried many people's load on my head. I have buried my own pain quietly. But hear me now. No tradition will eat at my daughter. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not while I, her mother, breathes. Not at all. And if the guns must speak, let them speak the truth. If our elders must judge, let them judge clean. My daughter Inori cannot be traded like palm oil. I am Uregu, and I am her mother. And today, I stand between her and your tradition. I am Uregu. I know what to do. I know what to do, and I will do it.
Oje kanyame, oje kanyame, oje kanyame, oje kanyame. My heart beats for you every night and day. My heart beats for you every night and day. And no tradition can take what we have away. And no tradition can take what we have away.
I shouldn't have come, but I couldn't stay away.
Ojeka, how? How can one woman be married to two men? How? Which part of me did the tradition divide? My body, my soul, or my spirit? Which one?
No, listen to me. You belong to no one. You never choose, remember?
Both of you fired your guns at the same time. Don't you get it? Now the entire villagers are talking. Everyone is gossiping with my name. Do you know what they are saying, Ojaka? They say that I am married. I am married to confusion, Ojaka. Me,
Listen
married
to me.
confusion.
Listen to me, okay? I did not fire my gun just to claim you like a piece of land. Egbo dadanyonyuno, arinyogbo katiyoka. Manyefo ibalo doka wuwonyi. I did this so the world will know you are not alone.
I don't want to be fought over. I am scared.
Let me then carry this fear with you. Okay?
What if the king asks me to choose Agba? What happened to us then?
Then tradition will learn to know that love does not kneel quietly anymore.
And if they take me away from you, what happened to us?
Then they will take my body and not my truth.
Ojaka, please. I need you to promise me something.
anything.
Promise me, Ojeka, promise me that no matter what happened, you will not die because of me. Look at me, Ojeka, and promise me that you will not die because of me, please.
Okay. I promise. I promise I will fight with my bread, not my blood. Please come and sit with me.
Let the matter be spoken.
My king, I stand here today not as a market woman, but as a mother. They say my daughter is married by sound, by gunshots fired into the sky. And I asked her elders, when did noise become agreement? This child has a voice. She has a heart. They speak around her, but never to her.
Woman, tradition is bigger than your pace. And this tradition has kept this land standing. My king, I've followed the law. I, Agba, I did not hide. I only claim what the tradition allows.
And I answered, because love does not wait where injustice is performed. If that makes me wrong, then let the elders say it.
I did not ask for any of this. I did not.
This matter has torn our laws open. By tradition, the both men are married to Inori. But since a woman cannot have two husbands, tradition demands resolution. These men shall take up a fight, and whoever wins the fight will marry Inori.
My king, is this justice?
As for Inori, you shall return back to your mother's house until the fight is done. In 4 market days, the fight shall be holding in this palace. And whoever wins, like I said, will have Inori for a wife. I have spoken.
Inori, flower of the kingdom, eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched, the drums were calling, the king would seal their fate.
The princess of Hiacho left the palace before the king.
Adam, your ruling favors Agba.
No, daughter. It favors tradition.
Tradition did not tie Inori's hands. Men did.
2 men shot their guns for her at the same time. This has never happened in the history of this kingdom. She must marry one of them.
Then let her choose. Let her make a choice.
Adia Origogo. That is forbidden.
Forbidden? By who? You just said this has never happened before. You made this ruling. You can change it.
I saw the way Agba was looking at you with so much interest in his eyes. Are you unhappy he chose another?
I do not wish for a warrior.
You speak in riddles?
No, Adam.
I speak in truth. I do not wish for spare, neither do I want blood songs. My heart listens for a gentler song.
Adia, you shame in softness.
That's what this kingdom needs.
Listen, daughter. Love does not rule a kingdom, okay?
But if you don't, we rule graves. Adam.
I saw the way Agba was
You taught
looking
me
at
justice.
you with so much interest
Not
in his
this.
eyes.
Excuse me.
You sit like a man already buried.
I will pay. Agba is tired, and I am wounded. He was raised for battle, and I was raised for breath and song. I only know how to play music.
Don't insult yourself in my presence. A man who knows how to hold his breath knows how to hold pain. You think strength lives in the arms? If strength was found in muscles alone, old women like me would have been dust by now.
How do I face a warrior?
By remembering what you stand for. When a man fights for pride, his strength ends where his breath ends. But when a man fights for love, he borrows strength from his ancestors.
I'm afraid.
So was my late husband, her father, when he came to ask for my hand in marriage. If you truly want to marry my daughter, do not go to that fight as a flute player. Go as a man who listens.
Listen to what exactly?
Listen to timing, to movements, when to strike, and when to step away. That thing in your hand has trained you all your life. I choose who my daughter chooses. If you come back alive from this battle, you're always welcome to this compound.
If I return victorious, I will spend the rest of my life proving that you were right.
Go and use the strength you've been hiding behind those songs.
Obohoina.
Sure.
Why does a lion sit like a wounded goat? You've already won the fight. The man plays with flutes while you play with bones. Remember who you are. The lion from the hill. Fire in your hands. Fear in the eyes of your enemies.
It's Nori.
You think of her?
I don't want her as a conquest. For the first time, my heart walked ahead of my spear.
But I thought you wanted the princess.
Oh, come on. Princess was just for the glory.
A name beside mine and a crown that announces power.
As for Inori, Oko, she took no permission before entering my heart.
Ogo, if the ancestor can be so kind to me, and I win, I promise not to treat her like a spoil from battle. Of course you will win.
What if I lose? Then perhaps the gods want to teach me a lesson that love cannot be taken by strength.
After 4 market days, the land will chant your name louder than drums.
Or your mouth will be shut with disbelief forever.
I walked in here with the tail of the colored bird because my friend has found favor among men and the spirits. Do you know how many girls are refusing food now?
What are you talking about? Why?
You! Every woman envies you. Agba, the lion's hill. A man that every woman begged to eat from their plate. Walked past all the princesses and stopped at your door. Choose him. Choose him to save Ojeka. You know how this fight ends? Agba will not only defeat Ojeka, but he will humiliate him. Agba walks like a thunder. His shadow scatters men. It's only one man that can ever defeat him.
Who?
Idiku, the blind one.
Idiku.
Yes. Even with his eyes gone, they said he fights like the spirit hurts his hands. I even heard maybe he trained Agba.
When the gun spoke twice, who will claim the crown?
My princess, the king will not be happy with me when he finds out you sit here in the open without a guard.
Echo, I did not ask to be born into royalty and all of this.
It looks like the palm wine has gotten in his head.
The princess of Iyacho Kingdom. My own princess.
Wait a minute, is that what I think it is?
Oh, your royal throat have not deceived you.
Palm wine.
White as your teeth. And look, very sweet as your... Let me tell you something, my princess.
Yes?
You see this palm wine here? It gives me the wisdom you so claim that I have.
Then let me have a taste of it so I can be as wise as you.
Oh, that is my princess. That is my... You want some?
Yes, let me hold this for you.
Okay, don't worry. I will just put some for you.
The king forbid you from palm wine.
Leave it. Leave it.
Why?
That is what I hate about this land. The king forbids love. He forbids every good thing. He forbids palm wine. But he has refused to forbid the shooting of guns. In fact, I'm leaving.
Why?
Because I forbid disobedience.
Well, you're different. Nothing worries you.
You see, as for the worry, that is why we have the ancestors. Let them worry about us while they are there. And when I join them, I will worry about you, about all of us.
Well, I got you this.
Hey! Hey! Jawawo! Anukwewe Kaye! The princess of Iyacho Kingdom buys me a bracelet.
Yes. And this is what you keep getting when you decide to pick a woman that's like me.
As for the woman should wait. Now that the princess of Iyacho has bought me a bracelet, I don't need another woman.
Yes, I did.
Ha! The men of this land have become so weak that they fear the rejection of a woman. What is this? Princess, what is the look on your face? Look, this is a kind of look that they will look at somebody and before you know it, they'll just shoot go. I have to leave here now. Before somebody will shoot a gun on my
Be careful.
sorry, princess. Hey, the princess of Yacho. Princess, you see this gift?
Yes.
In fact, I will keep it. I'll show the ancestors.
So, what do you think of him?
My princess.
Yes.
He's a man that talks so much.
Echo. His words brings me happiness.
My princess, one of his hands is cursed by the gods.
And those same hands brings me comfort anytime he massages my feet.
My princess, it is better we return to the palace now.
Eleji mtitom kametang. Ele kametang pilele. This is no longer about one girl, but about every one of us.
Uregu, we already have enough in our plates.
Exactly. We have enough, but our daughters and our sisters don't have a choice.
You speak of marriage? It is an old rule. The elders will not bend.
So, women gifted to men is not a bad thing in the name of tradition? Haba, we will gather, we will speak, not just because of Inori, my daughter, but for every girl, every woman whose voice has been buried beneath fear. That's it.
But would they listen to us?
They will listen, especially if we are many. If the market, the river, and every one of us refuse to remain silent, they will listen.
Uregu. No. They will call us loud.
Let them call us. It is better to be loud than to remain silent when our daughters and our sisters are buried in shame.
Okay, oh. If you say so. Mukayaja.
Yeah.
I'll talk to them. We'll talk.
Ayaja, tell every girl, tell every woman, Yajong Myongwu, tell everyone who has a voice to speak up.
I will tell them.
Jeka, is it the stick rejecting you or Inori is already married to Agba in your heart?
Look, just teach me and less mouth, okay?
With the way you're training, Agba will beat you mercilessly. He'll be beating you. I will even still be asking for water to quench his thirst.
Mock me again and I will hit you with this stick.
Hit me? You cannot even hit destiny. Look, Ojeka, your hands are too soft. You fight like you're playing songs.
But Abankwa, you know that's what I know how to do. I don't know how to hate. I don't even know how to rage.
Then you need to train fast. Else, Agba will take Inori and marry her and you'll still play songs about it. You need to train fast. You can do better. See, the both of you, you cannot be doing this. You cannot be holding yourselves in the open. She's not only yours.
Jeka, there's someone who can help you.
Help me?
Yes. Idiko.
The blind man?
Yes. The one they said fought like the gods held his hands. But
he's blind.
Yet they say no warrior has ever defeated him.
So, will you teach me?
Look, the best way to know about this is to go to him. Go to him, Ojeka.
Yes, please go to him. He can help you so you can win this fight for us, please.
See. Okay.
Make sure you take care of yourself, okay?
Strong one. Strong one.
I hear your heart beating hard. Why have you come?
Because I must fight.
Everyone fights. Why do you fight?
Because I'm afraid of losing my woman to tradition.
A woman. Love. That word has sent more men to the grave than even any spear has done.
That is why I have come to train. To fight.
And you come to war without a weapon?
Strong one. My hand failed me when I hold one.
Then you will die.
Train me, please.
That is better. But you haven't answered my question. Why do you fight?
Because I'm afraid. I'm afraid of blood. Afraid of killing. Afraid that even if I win, I will lose myself. Most importantly, I'm afraid of living in a world where woman's tears is called tradition.
Go.
Please, Idiko.
Forget your fear. Tonight, forget your fear. Return tomorrow before dawn. And the next time you will set your eyes on the woman you love, you will have learned how to hold on to your weapon.
Oboho. Oboho.
Love. Love. Once again, love has brought war to my doorstep.
Come out before I separate your head from your body!
The stage you were carved by war itself. Watching you now, I believe them.
You shouldn't be here.
I come to say the man who will soon own a woman the whole village envies. Your strength fills the night. Even the girls step aside for you. Why not take what wants you? Why wait for victory?
Stop! Are you not my wife's friend? Are you not?
This is not about you. Agba, win the fight. By the time you win, Ojeka will be broken. And when he is broken, I will have him all to myself.
So you don't mind spilling another man's blood for your desire?
Men fight, but women survive.
Leave my
compound! Leave.
Win the fight, Lion of the Hills.
Oje kanyame, oje kanyame, oje kanyame, oje kanyame. My heart beats for you every night and day. My heart beats for you every night and day. And no tradition can take away.
A stick is not a weapon. It only becomes one when the hands holding it know why they must strike.
You remember me, don't you? I came here when laughter was easy, when love did not need permission, when my name still belongs to me. I know that if you can speak to me, you will tell me how to return to those days.
The river never go back to its beginning.
You followed me?
I heard Sorrow calling my name.
Leave me alone, please.
If strength can entangle this, I would have done that long time ago. You know, I did not plan to want you. I don't want you as prize. But you entered into my heart like a wound that refused to heal.
Your wound is destroying my life. Can't you see?
Yes. Yes.
I belong to someone else.
I know.
Then let me go, please. Agba, don't make me hate you. Don't make me pray for your loss, because I will go to the village square at night. I will strip myself naked and I will pray to the gods of our land to punish you, Agba. And when they do punish you, the entire Iyacho village will forget every victory you have ever won for them. So you better choose your battles wisely.
Inori, I've controlled men. I've controlled fear. But thing is dragging me to where I don't know. I am not asking you or seeking your hand. All I ask for you to understand that I'm also fighting my battles. I'm fighting my own demon.
You may win this fight, Agba. You may even win the crowd. But you see my heart. You can never, ever win my heart.
Let the cause judge me.
I hate you!
Inori, flower of the kingdom, eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched, the drums were calling. The king would seal their fate, for in the clash of love and honor, only truth could separate. Can strength alone define a man, or the love he dares to give in the silence of a beating heart? Only one shall truly live. When the gun spoke twice, 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 heaven trembled at the sound. Was it fate or was it chance that turned the world around? Two souls, one cry, the spirits rise, ancient voices in the skies. Who will stand? Who will fall when the gun spoke twice? Oh, be in your heart, not the noise of men.
Feel it. Feel it. The hand obeys the mind, and the mind obeys the breath. When the ground gives you a weapon, accept it. Accept it like a promise.
When the gun spoke twice. Inori, flower of the kingdom, eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched, the drums were calling. The king would seal their fate, for in the clash of love and honor, only truth could separate. Can strength alone define a man, or the love he dares to give in the silence of a beating heart? Only one shall truly live.
Thank you all for coming. Just look at us well. How many of us were led into marriages our hearts did not choose? How many of us learned to love, not because love came, but because we were tired of resisting? Only a few of us married men our hearts already knew. But our traditions are clear. It permits a woman to pack her bags, her pots and her wrappers and go to a man's house and claim him as her husband. But yet we do not do this. Not because we are forbidden, but because we understand something deeper. A man forced into marriage will never truly belong. That's it. So if we understand this truth, when it favors a man, why then do we forget it when it favors a woman? Oh. Our tradition was made to guide our lives and not to cage it. We are important. Yes, we are. So today, fellow women, we will tell our king to take a look at our culture again. Yes. Not with pride, but with wisdom. Ah, princess, you're here. Princess, If your heart desires a man who wasn't chosen for you, will you go with the crown or with your truth?
I'll follow my heart.
You see?
Look, women. This is no longer a one-woman's fight, but for all of us. And we'll fight together and we'll win together.
Adia, Akautua. Let's go to the palace. Akamanyanyang lume, ongaye pepe juanyanko. Akamanyanyang lume, ongaye pepe juanyanko. Akamanyanyang lume, ongaye pepe juanyanko. Yeah!
Don't fight it. Let the stick be part of your hand. Don't fight it. You are not weak because you love. You are dangerous because you do.
I can feel it.
Lekwa. Win your opinion.
Fellow women of Iacho, today we do not beg.
Not at all.
Today we remind.
Yes. So, what were you saying about Abba?
Abba is handsome, he's cute, he has strength. He's every woman.
Not mine. Ojeka is my husband.
Well, no problem.
The fairest of them all. Is it sadness or is it the thoughts of Abba that steals your joy?
Abanko, stop wasting your breath. You trying to make us laugh does not mend hearts.
My being here is more than laughter. Tell me, what are you two bright souls standing here, hiding?
Hiding?
Yes! When the real show, what has never happened in this village is happening. The women marching to the palace. Oh, you should see it. It's like a river of rappers and fire led by no other than Uregu herself. And Princess Adia marching with them with head held high, just like the sky is going to bow to her courage.
Well, we are not there.
My mother, she asked me to stay home.
Stay home when history is being made?
Well, she said the walk to the king's palace must make him see that this is for all women in this community, not just me.
Oh, noble hearts. Noble hearts.
Abanko, can you go hunt rabbits? I and my friend have so much to talk about.
Oh.
Adirahu akake. Adirahu akareta. Adirahu akaiboyoyi.
What troubles women of Iacho?
our silenced voices, our will, been taken away from us.
Stop it! And who started this abomination?
Uregu. Uregu. Ayanga jure like huh? Anga jure.
Where was this fire when other guests were taken? Where was this courage? Edda. This is foolishness. Absolute foolishness. Now, because your daughter is involved, you have the temerity to gather all the women in this village and bring them to the palace for protest and display of foolishness? Is this not foolishness? Foolishness.
When other girls were taken, we cried in our rooms.
Yes, we did.
We wiped our tears in obedience and called it peace. But that silence did not protect us.
Not at all.
It only taught us to live quietly. We are not loud today because it's my daughter in law. We are loud because we have heard ourselves.
Yes.
Now you can believe me that this protest and this gathering is selfish. Selfishness. Very selfish. You better go back to your homes. Otherwise you will kill a cause.
Chai! If asking to be heard is a cause, then let us be caused together.
Let us be caused together.
Let us be caused together.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine?
Akamanya nyang lome, onge haya pepe jwa nyang ko. Akamanya nyang lome, onge haya pepe jwa nyang ko.
Careful! Before you rub my leg, now and start demanding for bride price.
Rub you what? My oil. On these feet that are restless, going here and there. They cannot be patient enough to enjoy my oil.
It is because I'm training them. It is because I'm training them. I want to start a new trade.
I know. Once I see you like this, I can suspect what wants to happen. Very soon you will drag all the girls in this community into your compound and demand money from them. And if they can't pay you the money you are demanding, the next thing we hear is toa, toa, toa.
Oh, Papi, it is a good business. But if I choose to do that, who will be laughing at your bad jokes? Who?
Let me tell you too. You think you want to yab me and go free. Let me also tell you. Who will be telling Ojeka that strength does not always lie in the chest? You see, as for Ojeka, I am praying for him because the gods definitely will be with him. He is a man who is fighting for love. And any man who is fighting for love, he is so dangerous. That is it. He is so dangerous that his strength can carry him.
It is so. It is.
Well, for Agba, Agba is a born warrior. And he knows what to do. I am praying for, in fact, the both of them. I'm praying for them.
May the gods judge them well. May the gods judge them well.
As for the gods, are they alive or dead or sleeping? I don't even know which one again. Well, whichever way, I agree with you. Let it be so.
And Opabi, may your oil never runs dry before the feet of the princess.
Hey. Don't try that thing.
It is.
Don't mention the name of the princess
Oh,
again.
Pam, it is just a mere way.
If you go near the princess, you will know that Okabi's hand is not just useless. Let me warn you.
Empty boast.
Let me, in fact, I'm
boast.
going right now to report you.
Empty boast, Okabi. I wish you well.
I know by now she'll be wrapped up in her mother's arm, thinking about me, about what the future holds for us.
Maybe.
Why do you stay here all alone? In the dark?
There was a woman. I shot the gun for her 3 times. I mistook power for love. The village thought she was my wife, but her heart never agreed. She carried her anger in silence. She fed it, nurtured it. Then one night, as I slept, she mixed some herbs and poured them into my eyes. My world was gone. Darkness. I was thrown into darkness. Light gone forever. I woke up in pain and anger. I reached for my knife and put it deep into her throat. I didn't kill her because she destroyed my eyes and made me blind. I killed her because I refused to listen before forcing her to belong to me. Since that day, I live
Hey, Nyamdalo. Nyamle. 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 Oh,
This is the reason why we are here. Today it's her daughter. Tomorrow it could be any one of us.
No woman should sleep tonight. Not while our daughters have been stolen.
We must go there now.
Yes.
Before the gun speaks twice.
Yes. Yes.
No, you can't go.
What are you doing? Let me go.
No, my princess, you can't go.
I have to go with the other women.
By the instruction given, you can't go.
Inam, thank God you are back. How did it go?
Ayo, uragunye, kaka.
What is going on?
Uragubule.
Huh? What are you talking about? Where is my mother? Where is my mother?
Uragunye. Anukawa, somebody help! Somebody help! Please don't do this to me.
Who will claim the crown of love when the fire meets the wind? Who is chosen from above? Two men, one bride, one fate untold. A story written in the skies, but no one knew, no one could.
Yeah! Ha! Hey! Ha! Whoa! Ha! Ha! Yeah!
Eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched, the drums were calling. The king would seal their fate, for in the clash of love and honor, only truth could separate.
Mistake, listen to me.
Don't let it get to your head. Who is this warrior you face?
Agba. They say he has never lost a battle. They say he breaks bones like wood. That when he charges at men, they forget their names. Mountain, they say, remember his footsteps. And of war, follow him willingly. But I am not afraid.
That is what concerns me now.
Then teach me more.
I can no longer train you.
I don't understand. Why?
Because the man you face is not just an ordinary warrior. He's a story I have not finished telling.
You know him.
From this moment, your strength must come from truth and not training. If you win, it is not because your hand is strong. It is because your heart listened where once my heart refused to listen.
Do you know him?
I heard his first cry. I saw his first walk. I trained him, not with mere sticks, but with swords.
What are you saying?
He is my son.
When the gun spoke twice. Inori, flower of the kingdom, eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched the
Inoroli Gunam Gogo. Take joy in the fact that your mother died a hero's death. She struggled for a girl, for a gun to save a girl's destiny. Gogo.
May I stay?
spoke. I could not hear anything. I couldn't. I built a noise inside of me so that I will not hear the silence.
My world feels like that now. As if light has totally forgotten my name.
Inorinyam, darkness does not make you lost. But sometimes it means you have to listen to your own breathing. Your mother love did not die with her body.
I don't know how to walk forward without my mother's voice in this wicked world.
Neither did I. But somehow I find my feet moving. Because I feel her walking with me. Inori, you need to find your strength. And I believe you can find your strength.
No! I'm not leaving! Not until you teach me everything you taught him! You taught me to listen, to feel the air, to strike only when truth is clear. Do not back up now. Because, don't choose silence. Because the man I must face is your blood. For if you choose silence, or you stop now, it will be that you have taken a side.
I should go. I didn't come here to disturb your grief. I only wanted to sit for you.
Grief does not like to be alone. When my mother was here, the day felt shorter. Now it stretches like it wants to swallow me whole. What about you?
I ran faster when she died. As if I can't overcome the grief. Inori, it did not work.
I fear if I stop feeling this pain, it means that my mother is truly gone and she is never coming back.
Pain is not a proof of love. Love stays even when pain grew tired.
Thank you. Thank you for not asking me to be strong.
Strength needs some rest too.
Will you come again?
If you want me to.
The fire meets the wind, who is chosen? chosen from above. Two men, one bride, one fate untold. A story written in the skies, but no one knew, no one could choose. When the gun spoke twice.
He learns the rhythm of his opponents before his opponent even knows his own strength. A blind man's eyes are within, and in that darkness, he becomes more than a warrior. The blind do not strike to kill. They strike to be in harmony with the battle and with themselves. He becomes a shadow, a whisper, and in that shadow, victory awaits.
When the gun spoke twice. Or was it chance that turned the world around?
Where could she have gone to? When death has not even cooled. She already have visitors.
Is it the drum? Is it the cola? Uleko, talk straight or keep quiet.
Why? I am only saying that grief has many faces. Some sit quietly, while others sit with warriors.
Stop!
Why? Is it a lie that Agba has been coming here to sit with her? Or is it a cause that Soro Bento has together?
Don't touch grief with dirty fingers.
Agba did not go to the battlefield with his warriors. It has never happened.
That is because he's training. He'll be meeting Ojeka very soon. That fight still stands. Ojeka?
You're back.
I was here before I went home. But no one was around. Looks like my wife is not back. I mean, everywhere seemed to be quiet. A different air.
Uregu is gone.
What did you just say?
She journeyed to the land of the spirits.
Why didn't anyone tell me?
Because you're training. The fight with Agba still stands.
I didn't tell you so it won't break.
She stood for me. For Inori.
She stood for all women, and she died saving one.
So where is she? My wife. Where is my wife?
Even the rivers refuses my strength. They only listen to my patience.
If you fought this river, it will still defeat you.
Then I'll bow to it. So it will teach me how to flow.
You speak like a man who has nothing to lose.
Or one who have lost everything, but finds laughter and survive it.
When my mother was alive, she said laughter is how the heart catches its breath.
Your mother must be a wise woman.
Oh yes, she was. And very stubborn too.
Now I know why they say that stubborn women raise stubborn daughters.
If only I had her strength. the strength of a woman warrior. She fought my fight and she... How can I be here with you, Agba? You stirred the pot. She was trying to make it stop and it got poured on her.
Inori, I'm not sorry that I stirred the pot. My heart only bleeds that it got poured on her.
Why her? Why my mother?
Inori, what do you want? Tell me what you want. And I, Agba, I will do it for you. Tell me without protecting my pride. Do you still want me to fight Ojeka? You know it's no match for me.
And why will you ask me that?
If your heart says so. See, look at this hand. We never race.
Well, Ojeka is man enough to win me.
Not when it comes or face with me. And I also know he went training with Idiku. For you, I will save him from the humiliation that awaits him.
Inori! Inori! Ojeka walks around the village in search of you.
What? Ojeka is back? Ojeka is back! Ojeka!
Ojeka nyame, Ojeka nyame, Ojeka nyame, Ojeka nyame. My heart beats for you every night and day. My heart beats for you every night and day. No tradition can take what we never and no tradition.
She wanted me to be free. She wanted every woman in this village to be free. Now her death drew them back into their homes, Ojeka. I should have gone on that march with her.
Oh, come on. You carry enough already. Don't carry blame too. Your mother, she taught me to stand strong. She stood before me like fire. Look. I will give everything in me tomorrow. Her death will not be in vain. I promise you. I will avenge her death. And I'm doing this for her. For us. I have learned all that he was taught. What? Look, I was favored by the gods. Agba in his pride and glory will be brought down to nothing tomorrow.
Ojeka, I can't stand there and watch. I can't.
Why?
I don't have the strength.
Come on. You have to. I want you to be there.
What if I lose you the same way I lost my mother?
Then I would have lost myself long before now. Look, whatever happens tomorrow, carry your mother's strength and carry my love.
I miss her so much.
That step does not belong to Ojeka.
No, father. He's your son, Agba.
You have come. Is it because of the fight?
Yes, father. Also to thank you for training Ojeka. Now the ground will be fair. And no man will say that victory was stolen.
Fairness, my son. Fairness does not live on fighting grounds.
Tomorrow, Adam, Ojeka and I will be standing face to face. But you must know this, that the man I'm truly fighting is you!
Be careful. Be careful, my son. Please, do not marry a woman whose heart does not love you.
After all, I'm your son.
That is why I am warning you.
You killed my mother!
She took my eyes!
What you say?
You don't believe me?
One of us is speaking the truth, the other blood!
You carry anger like a blade.
And you bear guilt!
This land has witnessed so many battles. Battles for honor, for land, and even for pride. Today, it sees something heavier. Two men bound by one tradition. The earth will judge strength. The spirit will judge trust. Fight and let the land decide. Begin now.
You have no match for me, Ojeka. You are not. This drunk does not need my strength, Ojeka.
Then watch me strike you down.
Yeah!
Fight me! Are you here, Nolani? Inyaborile. She's mine!
Ojeka! Hearts are no prizes! Don't you get?
You think this is an honor? Treating me like a child? I am not a child!
Ojeka.
Come on! Come on, Abba! I demand a second fight! After our tongue have a taste of water,
Abba, do you agree to this?
My king, if a man wishes the ground for his blood, so be it.
Then we'll go for a taste of water and return back immediately. You can now leave.
Owó tí rọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Agbára ọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Owó tí rọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Agbára ọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Ó ti fèjì ọdún ikú rẹ̀ wù mí kó. Agbára ọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Ó ti fèjì ọdún ikú rẹ̀ wù mí kó. Agbára ọ̀gẹ̀ onyefe jọ̀túnkọ̀lé. Ọkà lóko lójó
Abba, why did you grab his neck like that?
Oh, I head back long enough.
Whoa! You struck with anger.
Inori, what do you want? Act! And I will end it here and now. But if you don't speak, I will allow Ojeka will eat the dust of Iyaja!
Your heart is loud. It sounds like my mother's when she was angry. When she was fighting the entire village to protect me. Agba, this heart does not belong on a fighting...
It belongs where you stand! Don't you get it, Inori?
My heart has gone cold. I just want to sit home and mourn my mother. My mother does not raise me to be the prize for fight. Please, let him have the victory.
You asked me to be smaller than my name?
No, I asked you to be bigger than it.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Victory for your heart. For you, Inori. But what if winning your heart is not what I fight for?
Then why do you fight? Tell me, Agba, why do you fight?
Go home, Inori. Go among your mother.
Let it be known that this is the second round. And remember, anyone who wins will make just one request. Let the second round begin. By skill, by strength, and by courage, we have a winner. Lion of the hill.
My king, I ask for one thing. That the last plea of Uregu be granted. Let forceful marriage be abolished and be looked into. My king, I fight not for possession. I fight not for pride. I fight for what is truth, just, and justice. My king, the heart of women are not prizes. The tradition must serve justice
Aluji meki kawole ko, iuru chare na loyeja. Aluji meki kawole ko, iuru chare na loyeja. Uleko, if only my mother was here to witness what just happened.
Inori breathes. It is over. Agba did the right thing.
I don't understand. I mean, after everything, the duel, the fight, the fear. I mean, Agba walked away and he...
That is Agba. Prideful, stubborn, fierce, but good. He knows when strength isn't needed. Inori, he didn't even take you. Now, go thank him. Go thank the man who fight like fire, but still like water.
I never imagined a man could fight so hard, yet choose what is right. And you should have been here to see what just happened. Your death was never in vain. Even the proudest of hearts could still find honor.
Does your heart beat for him?
Ojeka is my husband.
You've not answered my question.
Because there is nothing to answer.
You know where your heart belongs. And you can now finally see clearly.
Adia. My chiefs, you may need to excuse me now.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll call for you at the right time.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Adam, is it true what I heard your chief say?
Enough, Adia. What Agba asked for cannot be granted. A king does not bend tradition for the emotions of one warrior, no matter how brave.
One warrior, you see. That same warrior is the shield of this kingdom. The very one you boast of before other kings.
Listen, tradition is older than Agba, older than you, even older than me. I cannot change what my forefathers handed down.
Then what is the crown for? To guard dust or protect people?
Enough, Adia. Enough! Since when do you care about Agba and his needs?
Since he chose to fight the tradition that stops me from loving freely.
Oh, your heart wants Agba, right?
No.
Then who?
Women have been taken like a wind. Father, why do you fear change so much?
Listen, Agba fought. He won. And he walked away with dignity. That alone is enough.
So tradition stands, right?
As long as I remain the king of this kingdom.
A kingdom that refuses to change will one day wake up and find its strongest men walking away. Excuse me, Father.
The champion of love. Look at him, walking like a goat that has met a stubborn yam. This leg beating, this shoulder beating, this pride completely roasted. But you're still the winner of the woman. You see, and when the dust settles, you take the woman home.
You talk too much, Abankwa.
Why must not I, my friend? If I do not sing of your praise, who else will?
By the way, when did Inori and Agba become so close?
So close? Close how?
The way they both look at each other. I saw it on the fighting ground. The way she spoke to him. That was not love. That was not fear.
Life is not always straight. like your flute stick, my friend. You see, Agba has a house, a proud one and a real one. And you see Inori, she is not a stone. She is not.
I'm not jealous, Abankwa. I'm just trying to understand. If a man like Agba could let her go, then something deeper transpired between the both of them.
You see, whatever passed, passed. But what chose to remain, remains. And what matters now is the woman chose the flute player and not the warrior.
Well, then I will keep playing the flute to keep her heart at rest.
Play it very well, my friend. Mm-hmm.
Hey, my princess.
Yes.
Why are you here? Did the palace catch fire?
No, I came home.
Home? Which home are you talking about? This is my small compound. Okwabi's very small compound.
Exactly.
Are you serious? Wait. No, princess. No, please, don't do this. Don't do this, please.
Do what? Tradition allows a woman to pack her things into the house of a man that she wants.
What tradition are you talking about? That old forgotten tradition that people make mention when they are joking.
It bends to no one, not even kings.
Okay, look, Adeya. You see, I was eating when you came in. Come and sit down. When we finish eating, we can talk like human beings, please.
Well, I am done talking. When you're done eating?
Look, princess, you did not even warn me. You swept into my heart like warriors who are on the battlefield.
Okpabi, you make jokes when you are afraid. But why laugh at a tradition that's favored us? My heart has been speaking for a very long time now. And I decide to listen.
Look, princess, please. I am not a warrior. I am not even a noble. How do you expect me to fight kings? I am not brave.
You don't need to fight. Tradition asks me to choose, and I choose you.
What if I refuse?
Tradition has spoken. You're now my husband. You're married. Or Manila.
Adia, Ella, okay.
No! What did you just say? No! It can't be my daughter! Never! It can't be my daughter! Now listen, go and bring her back now to this palace!
My king, tradition forbids that.
Ah! No! It shouldn't be princess! Tradition? What tradition? Curse the tradition! Tradition that steals daughters from their fathers? Curse it! Call the tradition, call the ancestors that brought me this poison and call it a tradition. No, it can't be my daughter. No, I raised a daughter. I raised a princess. I fed her with wisdom. I fed her with strength. And now she's been taken, not by war, but by choice. My daughter deserves a man of honor, a man with blood in his veins, with crooked hand and oil-stained fingers. No, it cannot be my daughter. No, it can't.
Please, my majesty.
Leave my presence now. I said leave. Leave. It can't be, my daughter. No! No!
I am a wife to the man I always wanted. Then why is my heart always restless? Two hearts beat towards me. Two men stood in my name. Ojeka, I know what my heart feels for you. You are laughter. You are my peace. You are my home. Oh, you are the song my heart knew way before it knew fear. Agba, you are storm. You are the silence after thunder. You are the one who let me go when you could have held me forever. I mean, why did you do that? Why did you fight so hard for me only to let me go? Why? But why does my heart beat at the mention of Agba's name? Why? Is love so greedy that it reaches for what it cannot keep? Or am I simply wounded, confusing gratitude for desire? No, I cannot betray myself. I can't betray Ojeka. He doesn't deserve this. Oh God. Dear heart, please, I've had enough. Be still. If you must beat, at least beat for the one who stayed, not the one who walked away to save me. Ojeka is my husband. And I miss you so much. I need you now more than ever. Mama, I need you.
She's now my wife. Why does it still feel like there's battle even after the war is over?
Manila. Who would have thought that I and you will be here together? And to even think that you wanted me in as much as...
Who told you that I wanted you? How did you know that my heart wanted you?
Come off it. I see it in your eyes. The way that you look at me. Yes. That's joke that you used to mask your face with. The way you touch my feet gently like that of a child.
Tonight,
I will touch those feet and touch other places.
It's all yours now. Hey, it's okay.
Drink, my princess.
No,
Drink some. Drink some.
Let's go
Look,
inside.
it's.
I need some massage.
This night.
When the gun spoke twice, who will claim the crown of love? When the fire meets the wind, who is chosen from above? Two men, one bride, one fate untold, a story written in the sky.
Anuo! Anu dieko! Atawo! Anu dieko! Adro dieko jole! Anuo! Oru achaye! Atawu! Odunuko! Adro dieko jole! Oti toka yo ndwo! Tongo piaye! Tono ndwo! Ijuju! Leno! Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yàn náà kìí kó ọdún pé kìsàdá mẹ́ ọlùwà gbúmọ̀.
Your step is lighter today. Tubam, my son, come closer. I felt your heart yesterday. Your heart fought harder than your hands ever did.
I did not want that.
You won what matters most. I spent my life confusing force for love. That mistake cost me my eyes and almost cost me my soul. But you, Oninyam, my son, you chose differently.
Adam, I was afraid. I was afraid that if I head on, I would become you, or even worse.
Fear that teaches is a blessing. Fear that hardens is a curse. Oninyam, my son, I am proud of you. Not for the battles that you have won, but for the battle that you walked away from.
Adam, what if I never find love again?
The ground does not waste good seeds. The woman that is destined for you will find you, not by gun, but by her own choice. Oninyam,
Adam,
when she comes, your heart will recognize her before your eyes do. My son, the world is changing and you are changing with it. But, Oninyam, my son, what you are asking of Adiraho the king, it cannot be.
Ubo Adam, thank you.
My people of Iacho Kingdom, we have lived by rules, passed through generations. Rules meant to bind us, yet sometimes blind us. Ah, Uregu, if you were here, you would have laughed at my hesitation. Tradition, once meant to protect the hearts of our people, has once made them prisoners. The gunshot once thought sacred to claim a woman, and the bold step of a woman moving into a man's house to make him hers. I, King Akiogu, hereby dissolve today. No longer shall a heart be captured by noise, nor by the courage borrowed from fear. From these days, love shall be chosen and not enforced.
My king, what have you done like that? Your Majesty, this cannot happen. The throne does not have the powers to remove any tradition that has been passed to us by the gods.
Yes. We honor courage and not cruelty. We honor love and not fear. Let every father teach his daughter to choose love freely. Let every mother teach her son to fight for honor, but not the cause of another soul. This is a new beginning.
You will bring the anger of the gods on us.
I have spoken.
Adam, why did you change your mind?
I did this for Uregu. Her sacrifice, her courage, and even the way she sees the truth before any of us.
Adam, you did not do this for tradition. And you did not do it for wisdom. But to punish me for what I share with Okwabi.
Listen, Adia. You don't share anything with a man who the gods caused his hand dead. But you know what? Now that the old tradition is gone, Okwabi cannot come before me and ask for your hand properly.
You want to refuse him?
Listen, you need a man like Agba. A man with honor.
Adam, I have Okwabi. And we've given ourselves to each other. That which makes me pure is gone, Father. You cannot hold me bound now. I thank you for changing the tradition. And I honor your wisdom. But it is too late. Because my body, my heart, my choice, they all belong to Okwabi now. Uregu gave me this freedom days ago while I walked down the road with her and the other women. I was free from that day long before you gave yours. I'm sorry, Father.
What's going on? Why are you doing this? You're asking me why? What happened back there?
Nothing happened.
Inori, you're lying. Tell me the truth before the gods strike you down. What happened between you and him while I was gone?
Nothing.
Speak the truth before the gods strike you down. Inori, have you not seen what I've done for you? Do you not see what I went through? The muscle raw? My
Kanyame, Oje Kanyame, Oje Kanyame, Oje Kanyame, my heart beat for you every night and day. My heart beat for you every night.
I have lost so much already. My mother, pieces of my heart. I can't. Not again. How do I choose when every choice hurts? I have to choose me. Choose my heart.
Inori, you're here.
Yes. Deka, I need you to know how much you mean to me. Each time you sang your tunes, my heart, it fluttered. The sacrifices you made, the sleepless night, the fight you endured for my sake. Ojeka, I see all of it. I see you, and I need you to know that I will never forget it. But my heart yearns for Agba. I can't explain it, but he awakened a part of me I thought was lost. I am bound to him, not by choice, not by fate, but by pain that we both shared. I choose him. I'm sorry.
I knew the moment I saw the panic in your eyes for him. I knew my heart hoped, but I feared. So last night I made my decision. I choose to give space to the one who truly wants me. And that evidently is not you.
I understand. And even if my heart belongs elsewhere, I need you to know that I will never forget you in this lifetime, Ojeka.
Go with peace, Inori, and let your heart find rest where it belongs.
Ileko, you were supposed to be my friend, but you turned around and acted like an enemy. I guess you had this all planned out. But some things are better left unsaid. I forgive you, and I pray you do not go through what you put me through. Ojeka, look after yourself. The waters are too dry to hold your tiny stones.
If only the river could flow, its strength would have sent the stone deeper.
The first time we met was the day I danced with those children. Not the day you tore me apart with the ring of that shot from your gun.
I'm sorry, I never knew you. You carried the storm of the past this day.
I was broken. Every heartbeat was heavy with fear, sorrow, and the pain I carried from my mother's death. But you came, not as a warrior, not as a savior, but as someone who saw the broken pieces of my heart. You held my hands, and you made my pain feel less by staying with me.
Inori, couldn't let you go.
I choose you, Agba. And not by choice. Not by fate. Not even by tradition. But by every piece of my heart that shamelessly beat for you.
And I choose you, no. I choose you with every of my scar. Even when the world tries, I will still choose you.
Some still won't let the heart choose.
And here we are, choosing each other. Freedom! Freedom tastes like you. It tastes like you. I cause.
I choose you always, Agba.
Always. All for you.
And every part of me for you too.
Ah, the heart. The heart is no simple thing. It cannot be commanded. It cannot be stolen, nor bound by law, nor by fear. Some still believe love is taken by force, that a man may claim and a woman must yield, that tradition dictates desire. But those who truly live, who have known sorrow, know that true love is freedom. The freedom to choose and to be chosen, to give your heart willingly and to accept another's in return. That is the greatest gift. Not power, not gold, not fear, not rules, not old laws, but the gift of love, freely given and freely received. That love is everything.
When the gun spoke twice. Inori, flower of the kingdom, eyes that held the moon and sun, torn between the path of power and the song of a gentle one. The elders watched, the drums were calling. The king would seal their fate, for in the clash of love and honor, only truth could separate. Can strength alone define a man, or the love he dares to give? In the silence of her beating heart, only one shall truly live. When the gun spoke twice. When the gun spoke twice. When the gun spoke twice. When the gun spoke twice, heaven trembled at the sound. Was it fate, or was it chance that turned the world around? Two souls